Hello, my name is Gary Oakes and I'm doing a number of video tutorials on the Tailor brand's advanced website builder. This tutorial is going to focus on how you can make your website a multi-language website. So how do we do this? So this is a templated website. If I go to Pages, you'll see at the bottom here, Add Site Languages. You will need to subscribe to one of the plans to actually use this function, and you have a choice of the 3 plans available. I'm now going to go to a subscribed website and we can take it from there. So again, I've uploaded a templated website. This is currently in English. So if I now go to Pages and we go to where we went before, Add Site Languages, you now have the opportunity to change languages. The default is English. Now, I've got this select here. It will automatically translate by Google. If you wish to do everything yourself, then you need to turn this off. But I'm going to keep it on. I'm going to add language and I'm going to add Spanish. Say done. There it is. I say save. You'll put the toggle selector at the top here. If you're happy with this, say done. And now let's say got it. Now preview. So this is now converted into Spanish. I can't tell you if it's correct or not, but if you understand Spanish, you would know. If I want to look at it in English, I then select English. So that's how we can have a multi-language website. And clearly you can have as many languages showing down here as you like. If I wish to now change something in the Spanish because it's incorrect, I can go back to the editor. I can select the language up here. And you can make changes accordingly. I couldn't tell you if it's correct or not, but I'm going to add in some text. I say hola. I'll save this. If I go to preview, you can now see hola in here. If I now go to the English version, this does not say hello. So once you've got the language converter in place, you can make changes to individual languages, but it will not affect the others. Likewise, if I changed the English here, what a great day. Preview it in Spanish, and the Spanish doesn't change. So that's how we change the languages on your website. If you, however, wish to make wholesale changes, i.e. add pages, if you want to change other parts of the website, you can do it on an individual language. If it's minor, if it's quite major, you might want to convert back to your language first and repeat. So what we need to do is delete the other languages and then make the changes, and then we select the languages again as we did before. So to delete the language, if we go to Pages, Manage Site Languages, hit the cross and say delete and save. You'll now see the language bars have disappeared. You see an empty row here, that's where the toggle selector was. You want to delete this. Now we're ready. Now you can make some wholesale changes. Join us today. Right, so once I've made the changes, I then go back to Pages, Add Site Languages, Add Languages, add the Spanish. In fact, we'll add Dutch this time as well, and say done and save. Happy with the toggle being at the top here, select done. Say got it, preview. This is in Spanish with the extra text added here. In Dutch and in English. And that's how you add languages to your website. Hope you found it useful. See you on the next one.